Here we go. Just another night in Missouri. If you don't like this storm, just wait till tomorrow. Looking like it's churning, isn't it? We had a thunderstorm last night, and then we had one 2 days before that, and like the day before that, like every night. It's a daily thunderstorm show. What's especially disturbing is when you see clouds going that way and that way, or you see that movement that's just not natural. These clouds are going that way, and these up here are going that way. So it makes you wonder, where's the rotation? What you're looking for is that lowering of the cloud base and the rotation for a tornado. And I forgot my radio, so I don't know. Look at all the colors. It's weird. Last time the storm came this way, normally this is north. This is north. Usually storms are going that way. This one is coming this way. There's no set rule about when they come. And there's people out there. I have a widescreen camera to capture as much as possible. That looks like a lowering of the cloud base right there. I have my phone. I can report it if I see it turning. And I sure wouldn't want to be in the path. I don't know if that's a wall cloud or not. That looks like a wall cloud, friends. And it's headed that way. Temperature dropped at least 20 degrees. It was like 90, and now it's about 68 or 9. This is the gust front. Guys, please comment and tell me what you think of that right there. That looks like a lowering to me. I don't know about that. I don't see any rotation, but it looks like a lowering, which is indicative of a wall cloud. Everything else just looks like it's moving straight, no rotation. I could be wrong, but that looks like a wall cloud right there. I'm not very far from the rain. It's not raining yet. Is that a wall cloud? Check out that guy down there. I honestly think these people have no idea what's coming. Did you not know there's a giant storm coming? I mean, I got an escape plan right now. I'm in my car and I'm at my house within 2 minutes. And that guy's taking a stroll. What the hell? Right there. Dude's just taking a stroll in a storm. Just wait till this thing hits in 2 minutes. He's gonna be running. All that rain sweeping in is coming this way. If there's a wall cloud there, it is now rain wrapped and I cannot see it. So I'm going to be exiting. There's not much to see anyway. I'm gonna go home and watch this from home. It's me. That dude, there's no way out over there. The dude that's walking is in the middle of this right now. And it's just now hitting. I should have warned him maybe, but what can I do? People don't listen. I've tried warning people before and sheesh, we're getting wet. And they gave me attitude, like, oh, we know it's coming. We know there's a storm. Really? And why are you sitting in it? So this one's coming and it's about to hit hard. I'm gonna go home and get inside my house because I can't film out here anyway if it's just heavy rain. Here we go again. Look at that dude. That dude doesn't need to blow. You don't need to blow. You don't need to blow. That dude's about to get smashed with rain, man. All of that's coming. These people are out there walking around. At least I know what I'm doing. That dude was walking. He's out there. I know there's nowhere to go. It goes for like half, maybe 3/4 of a mile before there's any houses at all. So he was a 1/4 mile down the road when this rain hit. I was in Oklahoma City and I saw this couple sitting and I said, you know there's a storm coming. You know, I was trying to be nice and they go, we know. So it makes me kind of be like, yeah, you know what, I'm not gonna help people. There's my new rain gauge. Let's see what this storm produces when it ends. Oh, am I talking too loud? Yeah, I cleaned the gutters and I have those little foam things in, but it doesn't matter, it still does this.